What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to go through the Vance Hines Fuelpak FP3 app and how to change some of the settings and make it more, customize it more to your liking. So here we go. First thing you're going to do now, after you've installed all your Vance Hines stuff, first thing you do is open up the app. Okay, so we're opening up the app. First thing it's going to do is it's going to connect to the bike. To do that, we'll turn the ignition to accessories, turn the switch on the handlebars to the on. It's going to look for a connection. It's connected. It's going to check for firmware. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to sensor data. Okay, I'm going to turn it sideways, turn the phone sideways so you can see what's going on. But if you want to change anything here, it's as simple as you select what you want to change. You take this wheel and you rotate it to wherever you want it. Push the middle again and bang, it changes it. You can also have multiple screens. So we'll leave this sideways. Go back to our home, and the next thing we're going to do is go to maintenance. In the maintenance, we've got this service odometer that you can use for your oil changes, tires, or whatever. I've got one saved for our Fuelpak test. All you got to do is clear that area right there, add your Fuelpak test in, or whatever you want to call it, hit the little check mark, and bang, it'll start counting miles from there. So now we're going to get back to our sensors. Turn back to the way. And let's ride. Alright, so our app is connected. And we're ready. We're going to go over how some of this stuff on the screen works and how it looks. And then we'll switch it over and do the horsepower thing. So there we go. We'll do the horsepower thing and go from there. While we're at it, we're also going to check out these leaves. It is early October. Leaves have started to turn. Definitely going to get some footage of these leaves changing.